This is the TekinGame Daily Intelligence Brief for August 16, 2026. Data from the last 24 hours indicates that centralized digital trust and legacy security perimeters are no longer holding. The primary drivers of this collapse include a federal court ruling dismantling Android's walled garden and a surge in OAuth bypasses that silently neutralize enterprise multi-factor authentication. To avoid catastrophic exposure, organizations must immediately shift their threat models to account for these newly perforated boundaries. Threat actors are actively bypassing traditional phishing defenses by weaponizing stolen OAuth tokens. These stolen credentials allow for the silent infiltration of Gmail, Google Drive, and connected enterprise systems across Google Workspace. This specific attack chain effectively neutralizes traditional multi-factor authentication, granting attackers persistent access without triggering standard identity alerts. In critical infrastructure, the energy giant Shell is currently investigating a major security breach. The Clop ransomware syndicate claims to have successfully exfiltrated 89 gigabytes of sensitive corporate data, underscoring vulnerabilities in the energy sector's data supply chain. As identity-based perimeters fail, the move towards continuous AI behavioral monitoring and air-gapped decentralized data vaults is no longer optional for high-value targets. A federal judge has officially crushed Google's App Store monopoly. Google has been given exactly 1 week to dismantle anti-competitive barriers, making third-party app stores significantly easier for Android users to find and install. Simultaneously, the U.S. Senate has launched a formal investigation into Roblox, citing systemic child safety failures and the platform's inability to prevent criminal exploitation. This federal probe indicates that the era of the self-regulated digital playground is ending, as lawmakers demand stricter oversight of metaverse environments. For platform operators, these interventions mean a significantly expanded attack surface for mobile malware and a likely pivot toward mandatory government-grade identity verification across gaming services. Despite these security headwinds, there is a major strategic evolution in localized AI, led by Google's newest DeepMind model. This model allows the Pixel 11 lineup to process and transcribe American Sign Language in real time entirely on-device, removing the need for a cloud connection. Severing the cloud compute tether for this complex kinetic pattern processing transforms mobile devices into ambient physical translators. This shift establishes the technical foundation for future AI integration directly into physical prosthetics and high-bandwidth cybernetic hardware. The through line for today is clear. Centralized walls are falling globally. From app stores to enterprise workspaces, legacy security paradigms are no longer providing sufficient cover. Your directives are to decentralize critical data, implement zero-trust verification for every digital action, and prepare for an era of cloud-independent local compute. Maintain constant vigilance in this exposed landscape. End of brief.